how to connect your Google Analytics with your Shopify website. So, to connect Google Analytics with Shopify website, you must have two things. Obviously, one, you must have a Google Analytics account, and two, you must have a Shopify store with a live theme. Okay, so now, why do you want to make a connection between the two apps? So this is very simple. The reason is maybe you want to have your Shopify store analyzed and you want to make an analytics where you can make business decisions off of those analytics that the Google Analytics will generate for you. Okay, so the first step here will be in our analytics side of things. Now, if you haven't have a Google Analytics account, I highly recommend you to make the account first. But the important thing about the accounts are you must be logged in to your Google account. I mean the general Google account on your browser in which that you are accessing the Google Analytics from. And once you've done that, let's go ahead and go to settings. This is assuming that you have done the basic registration in Google Analytics. Okay, so in settings, click plus create over here, the big button, and click account. And what this does is this will create a new account for you. Now I want to make a new account for my new Shopify store. So this is the way to do it. So my account name, let's just say the name is Asikars, which is my business name. You can, of course, use your business name. And I'm gonna opt in for everything now. You can go ahead and explore what these data sharing settings do to your business. And let's click next. And we have to create property. To measure your web and app data, create a Google Analytics for property. So the property here, let's just say I want to analyze the leads or maybe the purchases of my Shopify store. So let's just do that. Let's click continue. I mean next. Okay, and next is describe my business. Okay, my industry category is autos and vehicles, and I am on my own currently, so I'm 1 to 10 employees, which falls into the smaller category. Next, so for is the business objectives. This is important for Google Analytics to know what kind of website that you are running. So my business objective is to drive online sales, of course, raise brand awareness, and generate leads. I think that's the first three is the one that represents the website that I have the most. Okay, so let's click United States. Go ahead and accept the license agreement again here. Okay, so I have two agreements to agree to. Now, let's start collecting the data. Okay, so if you're on the last chapter here, which is the data collection menu, let's move over to our Shopify store. And what you want to do is you add an app, which is the Google and YouTube app, where we will use that app to connect our Google Analytics. Okay, so let's click Add Apps on the bottom left menu there and click Shopify App Store and find Google and YouTube. There you go. So the name of the official Google, everything Google for Shopify is Google and YouTube. As you can see, I have already have the app installed. So the button shows that I just need to open the app. Okay, so we will be transported into the app's settings. Now, as you can see, let's wait for it to load. Okay, so anyway, now this is my Google account, just ignore it. But the important thing here is Google, the app is directly, I mean like instantly asking you to if you want to set up Google Analytics 4, which is exactly what we want. So let's click Get Started, and let's connect to an analytics property. Okay, so this is why we need uh, to done the data collection over here. But let's say, for example, now let's click Connect on this property. Okay, so I've successfully set up Google Analytics 4. Great. Now I am connected to this account. Now, if I want to connect to another account, I can do that also. So let's go back to data collection and click Web. And on my web, okay, so let's copy our URL, our Shopify store URL. All right, there you go. Control C and Control V. Simple as that. And let's see, my stream name is, yeah, let's call it my website. And I will opt in for the enhanced measurement, please. Thank you. And there you go. Okay. Now, data collection isn't active for my website. This is normal because Google themselves said that it may take up to 48 hours for my data to be able to be connected and recorded in Google Analytics. So this is none of our concern, but this is pretty much it, I believe. So make sure that the Shopify store Google app is connected again and the analytics has been live. We will go back to our Google Analytics. So let's continue to home and let's see if it is live. So there's no data received from our site yet. However, let's see the report snapshot over here. Okay, you can check it if it's working by view real time here. So this may or may not work. Again, this is depending on whether your tag has been installed or not. But if we do some stuff on the website, you will actually see the activities of the things that you do on your website in this real-time overview, and that is the way for you to make sure that your Google Analytics has been successfully connected to your Google account, your Shopify store. Okay, so that's all for me. Thank you very much.